Bedeko Production Vietnam is the most advanced plastic additives manufacturing facility in Vietnam. As the official production site of Bedeko Europe, we deliver internationally certified filler master batches and white master batches, crafted through a fully automated process. This guarantees exceptional precision and outstanding quality in every item, long before it reaches the hands of our customers. Driven by full automation, our production process minimizes human dependency, guaranteeing uniformity and reliability in every product we deliver. Using a state-of-the-art automated control system, our operators can seamlessly oversee the entire production process. From the precise input of additive materials into calcium carbonate powder silos to the fully automated packaging of finished products. This advanced technology ensures not only operational efficiency, but also consistent product quality at every stage. Equipped with cutting-edge machinery imported from Europe, Japan, and China, our systems are precisely programmed to streamline production workflows, prevent the aging of raw materials, reduce operational waste, and promote sustainable manufacturing practices. Our laboratory is equipped with modern machinery and advanced technology, enabling a wide range of rigorous testing procedures. This ensures that every product leaving the factory meets international standards and fulfills the specific requirements of customers across various industries. At Bedeko Vietnam, we strive every day to deliver a wide range of high-quality plastic additives. All of our products are certified for food contact safety, ensuring they are suitable for use in food-related applications and other specialized industries. Automation drives us. European standards define us. Together, we shape the future. Automation meets European excellence. Only at Bedeko Vietnam.